The giant hill of doom. Do you like going up there? Yeah, is that fun? You eating sticks and stuff? Yeah? Just having too much fun. Look, you get it? Ready? Go get it. Look. Go get it. 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 Oh, you did it last time. Whatever. Oh, there he goes. Not quite. It's like a 70-degree hill. Maybe 80. I don't think I could make it up it. Is that fun? Was that fun? Cthulhu. You're so cute. You're so cute. You say goodbye? You say goodbye? Say see you later? Okay.